Every great story starts with a simple beginning. In this case, a small, empty bedroom. At first glance it might seem unremarkable, but sometimes the most ordinary spaces hold the greatest potential for transformation. 4 plain walls, a worn-out carpet, and a single window. There wasn't much to catch the eye, yet in that simplicity I saw endless possibilities. The room felt forgotten, almost overlooked, but to me it was a blank canvas just waiting for a new story to unfold. No closets, no shelves, no furniture, just a box waiting for purpose. But small spaces can hold the biggest possibilities. Sometimes, the lack of features is what makes a room so exciting. It's a chance to start from scratch and create something truly unique. It's not about the size of the room, it's about the size of the dream. This room was ready for transformation, and I was determined to make every inch count. Where others saw limitations, I saw opportunity. I imagined how this space could become a peaceful retreat, a place to recharge and feel at home. The goal: turn this tiny space into a peaceful, inviting sanctuary. I wanted it to be more than just a bedroom. I wanted it to be a reflection of comfort and personality. The first step: listen to the space. What does it need to feel like home? Light, warmth, and character were missing. I pictured soft textures, gentle lighting, and personal touches that would bring the room to life. With the right choices, even a small bedroom can feel open and welcoming. The journey from empty box to cozy haven was about to begin, and I was ready to embrace every challenge along the way. Every detail would matter, from the floor to the light. Each decision, no matter how small, would help shape the atmosphere and mood of the room. It was time to get to work and turn this dream into reality. Let's see how a little vision can make a big difference. The transformation starts now, and the possibilities are endless. Designing for a small room means every inch counts. The challenge: make it feel bigger and keep it organized. We needed smart, multifunctional furniture and clever storage. Light colors and airy materials would help open up the space. Vertical storage and compact pieces were key. The goal: balance function and style without sacrificing comfort. Every item had to earn its place. With thoughtful design, even the smallest room can feel spacious and serene. Let's solve the puzzle. Our plan was simple: modern, minimalist, and cozy. We chose crisp white walls and warm wooden flooring for a timeless, bright foundation. Furniture had to be space-saving and stylish. A sleek bed, mirrored wardrobe, and floating shelves. The bed would anchor the room, the desk by the window would maximize light, and the wardrobe's mirrors would reflect space. Every piece had a purpose and a place. Clean lines, soft textures, and warm tones would create a welcoming retreat. This wasn't just a design, it was a promise to make the room feel like home. The roadmap was set. We began with the foundation, floors and walls, the essential elements that shape the entire feel of a room. The first step was saying goodbye to the old worn carpet. In its place, we installed beautiful light oak flooring, which instantly warmed the space and gave it a fresh, inviting look. The natural wood grain brought a sense of calm and nature indoors, grounding the room and connecting it to the outdoors. Next, we turned our attention to the walls, painting them a crisp, clean white to create a blank canvas for the rest of the design. White walls bounce light around the room, making it feel instantly bigger, brighter, and more open than before. The contrast between the warm wood and the clean white created a fresh, modern canvas. Simple, yet full of potential. With each brushstroke, the room felt more open, optimistic, and ready for transformation. The single window, once overlooked, now seemed larger, flooding the space with natural light and energy. This simple combination of wood and white set the stage for everything to come, providing a versatile backdrop for any style. The room was no longer just a box, it was becoming a sanctuary, a place to relax and recharge. The foundation was finally ready. Now, with the basics in place, it was time to add heart and soul, and truly make the space our own. Now for the heart of the room, the bed. In any bedroom, the bed sets the tone for both comfort and design. making it the centerpiece of the space. We chose a modern, low-profile bed with a soft, textured headboard for comfort and style. Its clean lines and inviting materials make it perfect for relaxing after a long day. Layers of gray bedding made it inviting and sophisticated. The subtle tones add depth, while plush pillows and throws create a cozy, restful atmosphere. A sleek bedside table and warm lamp created a cozy reading nook. This little corner is perfect for unwinding with a book or enjoying a cup of tea before bed. Storage was solved with a mirrored wardrobe, reflecting light and doubling the sense of space. The mirrors help the room feel larger and brighter, even on cloudy days. Inside, shelves and hanging space kept everything organized. Clothes, shoes, and accessories all have their place, making daily routines smoother. By the window, a compact desk and chair formed a bright, functional study area. Natural light streams in, making it an inspiring spot for work or creativity. Floating shelves above the desk added storage without cluttering the floor. They're ideal for displaying favorite books, plants, or personal mementos. Every piece was chosen for both beauty and practicality, ensuring the room feels harmonious and thoughtfully designed. The room felt open, organized, and welcoming, a true retreat from the outside world. Comfort and style, perfectly balanced, make this bedroom a space you'll love to spend time in. The transformation was well underway, and the results were already making a big impact. With furniture in place, it was time for the finishing touches. Greenery brought life and color, making the space feel fresh and calm. Modern wall art added personality and tied the color palette together. Soft, sheer curtains let in light while adding elegance and privacy. Lighting was layered. A warm bedside lamp and a modern ceiling fixture created a cozy glow. Every detail worked together to make the room feel unique and inviting. The once empty box was now a modern, cozy sanctuary. Thoughtful design had turned limitations into strengths. Even the smallest space can become a beautiful haven. The dream was now a reality.